Good morning, families and friends. You see, yesterday we reflected on Aaron's failed leadership. See, when the fear of people outweighed the fear of God, he chose popularity over principle. You see, in an attempt to compromise, he mixed idol worship with a feast to the Lord. But compromise never elevates truth, it only weakens it. You see, as leaders, in any capacity, let us remember our calling is to please God and not man. You see, today's topic is titled, Not I, but Christ. You see, friends, we live in a culture that loves to celebrate personal success. Social media, workplaces, even families often push us to say, Look what I have done. But here's the danger. You see, when we start celebrating our own achievement, we risk stepping into the trap of idolatry. You see, the Bible reminds us in James chapter 1:17, it says the following: Every good and perfect gift is from above. You see, friends, that means every talent, every opportunity, every success you and I have is not from ourselves, but from God. You see, a spiritual author once wrote the following. She said, Self worship is the most dangerous kind of idolatry. You see, and that is truth, friends. When we glorify ourselves, we take the place that belongs only to God. Think of Lucifer in heaven. You see, his downfall came when he said, I will exalt myself. You see, friends, pride turned an angel into the devil. But then, look at Jesus. Though he created the universe, he humbled himself and lived as a servant. Philippians 2 says, Let this mind be in you, which was also in Christ Jesus. You see, friends, true greatness isn't found in celebrating ourselves, but in glorifying God. So here's the challenge. The next time you succeed, don't say, Look at me. Say, Look at what God has done through me. You see, friends, it's because every achievement is really His achievement in us. At the end of the day, our prayer should echo Psalms 115 verses 1, which says, Not unto us, O Lord, not unto us, but to your name give glory. God bless.